Show you how to batch edit 30 plus photos in Photoshop real quick. So the first thing you want to do is come into File, go down to Automate, click Batch. Then you're going to choose what your action is. And pick the folder. We're going to go here. We're going to grab all these photos, so these golf carts. Then we got to choose where we want to save those photos out. So again, we're going to go into here. We already created a folder for that as a WP file. We're going to call these golf carts, and now we're going to run it, and you're going to see it's going to put all those photos. All right, so we'll look at this photo. This one's about 520 KB, and now that one, figure out where that one was. Now it's at 104. So saved it a little bit. And that's how you save those photos. All right, thank you.